guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video we are going to do the CASETiFY phone accessory haul. I am so excited. CASETiFY is my favorite phone case brand. As you know, CASETiFY makes the most sustainable yet protective phone cases and tech accessories, and I am so excited and can't wait to show this all for you guys. And thank you CASETiFY to send me all of these products. I am so excited to use them, and CASETiFY is kind enough to give me some code for you guys, so I'll put the link in down below and you can check that out. Feel free to use my link so that you can enjoy 15% off your purchase, and I think that is really good deal, so enjoy and let's get started. I also made a video of my iPhone unboxing, so if you guys are interested, I will put the link right here. I gotta tell you, I got the cutest packaging, and thank you so much CASETiFY again for sending me these beautiful products. As you probably see on my unboxing, I got 5 different aesthetic phone cases and I am so excited. They are so cute and trendy. I am in love with them. And here we go. I love it. I get bored easily, and these iPhone cases help me switch up my style and keep things fresh, so I am so obsessed. I got 3 print cases and a couple of the basic ones so that I can switch it up. One of my most favorite gotta be this bow print case, and it is super cute, don't you think? So this is a package that you will receive, and it's super nice packaging. packaging, I would say that. I just apply screen protector on my phone, and what I really like about it is the little details that shows CASETiFY on the edge of the phone, which I really like. And let's put it in. It looks like that. And this is how it looks like. My 16 Pro Max is black, so I think it's go well with this black case, which I really obsessed with. I feel like this bold case just giving more like fun and stuff like that. I don't think you will be able to see, but there is a side socket here to attach your charm. So if you have a charm, you can definitely hang it, and I find that super cute. Has a seamless access to camera control buttons, which is really easy to use. And the next one is the Foro Pro case. I love this one as well. It has a clear heart shape, which I love. It does come with the MagSafe, which is really convenient. And here we go. It's giving different vibe, you guys. It's giving like feminines, and I just love the heart shape right here. The heart shape translucent. Here it is, super adorable, and this is going to be the perfect combo with my Pro strap, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But yay, it's gonna be so cute. And the next one is this beautiful butterfly print. I just love the color so much. Love the butterfly print. It is super trendy, and this is giving a little bit of pop-up color. I just love the purple on the sides, and pink and blue are my favorite combo colors if you ask me. Every single one comes with verified authentic tags, so let's take that out. And here we go. It actually looks really good with my black iPhone. I am a little bit surprised. It's giving me like going out for the fun night. If you always wear basic outfits like me, this is going to be like the pop-up color of accessory of yours as well. So yeah, that is so cool. Next, I got mirror case MagSafe compatible. If you are looking for a basic piece that can go every day, I would definitely go with this one. And it is just as simple as is, yet elegant, as I said. You can customize your case to be your own unique one, which I found that's really cool idea. And the last case that I have it here today is the Bounce Kate MagSafe compatible, and it is in black. It's really simple and extremely protective. So if you are looking for some strong protective, I would highly recommend this one. As you can see here, it has bounce corner on all sides. Features 21 feet drop protections, which is really amazing. And the last accessory that I am obsessed with, and I really love it, I am so glad that I ordered this, is the Pro Crossbody strap. So elegant. I just love how it looks, how strong it is. It's really great quality, I can tell. It features with a gold hardware, which I love. I really like the details. I am a detail girl, and I am just obsessed. Here there is like CASETiFYs on the gold hardware, which I find that's really well made. Here is the strap card. It comes separately, and it will come with this little card. Basically what you're gonna do is you are going to insert the strap card here, and then you put your phone in. Then you're gonna attach it. Here we go. So cute. I just found this really cute. I love that this Pro strap giving casual or formal. I think it's gonna go well in both ways. I think this is one of the best pick for me. So that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're interested in these cases or this accessory, I will put the link in down below. Feel free to use my link to enjoy your 15% off. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!